I'm Carmody for Stylist Beauty Basics. And the most asked question that I get is how to create the perfect smoky eye. The first step is always black eyeliner. Just smudge that black liner right across from the outside all the way to the inside. Now comes the shadows. So the next step is a dark shade right across the lid, from the lash line to the crease. That same dark shadow is applied underneath the lower lash line using an angle brush. This way you don't have the harsh look of a heavy eyeliner. Now comes the crease color, and we're using a shade a lot lighter, but still kind of in that smoldering tone. The last eyeshadow step for the smoky eye is the highlight. Now this is really key because it ties everything in together, and we're applying it right underneath the eyebrow and right on the inside corner of the eye. Now the very last step to polish it all off is black mascara. And I usually like to hold my wand straight up and down and go back and forth. Voila, here we go, the perfect, creamy, dreamy, beautiful smoky eye.